name is Suzanne and I own Curves Frayville. Because I was always working, I found Curves and it was like 30 minutes. So 10 years later, still here and bought the business. I love owning Curves because of the fact that we help a lot of women and we help women with health problems. So I use QuickBooks for the whole financial side of the business. I was using an Excel spreadsheet that I'd set up myself and it was pretty hopeless. And it didn't do payroll and nothing seemed to mesh together, and the bank fees and everything was, bit by bit. So I did a bit of searching online and I came across QuickBooks, and it just was so easy. So once I started plugging the figures in and got the bank feeds all set up and the employees all in, it's just so easy compared to what I was doing. And not coming from a financial background, it's easy for me to run. So yeah, and it was really good, really straightforward and awesome. I can do the payroll here, but if I'm at home, I can still log on and do it at home as well. So all the information that I put in is in the cloud. So I have an accountant and she has access to the QuickBooks. She's able to go in if I make any mistakes on my BAS, which is fairly rare. She goes in and just fixes it all up from her end. She doesn't need to come in and see me. It's all done through the internet, so it's all really easy. So I can use my phone, just depends where I am. It's very portable, it's with you wherever you go. You can also take photographs of receipts. So say I go to Bunnings to buy something for here, I can take a photograph of the receipt and it automatically stores it under QuickBooks. I would totally recommend QuickBooks. Coming from a sales background, not knowing figures at all, QuickBooks has just been so easy, so straightforward. I recommended it to my husband and my son as well, and they're using it in their businesses, and that's because it's just such an easy program to understand, and it doesn't matter what your business is, you can just get straight in and start putting the figures in straight away, and it's amazing.